How to use visualization for better performance and success. 6 practical steps. Sometimes it's hard to deal with nervousness and the fears that come along after picturing thousands and even millions of people looking at you. Visualization can make a big difference in helping you remain focused and productive. If we don't visualize our goals properly, it will be difficult to find solutions and become productive. The much-needed success in work and all aspects of life start with setting goals. That is where the power of visualization rests. World-class athletes are usually trained on how to visualize their goals before a competition. They see themselves running fast, scoring goals and winning the competition. In other words, they are made to picture what they probably want to happen. This technique helps them to increase their success rate dramatically. Similarly, having a mental image can help boost your productivity and performance. This article will discuss visualization and the steps you need to get better performance and productivity in the workspace and in general life. What is visualization? Visualization is a mental technique whereby an individual creates a strong picture of a goal that is believed to be achieved in a future event. You need regular visualization practice to prepare adequately for the coming victory. According to studies on brain imagery, the whole process of visualization is powered by millions of neurons in the brain. When the cells are electrically excited, information is transmitted to the higher centers. The imagery impulses are interpreted as real-life actions. In addition, the act of visualization also stimulates the brain to generate more impulses that are transmitted to other neurons that induce movement. The neural pathway develops clusters of cells with time to create memories and award-winning behaviors. The results will always prime our bodies to work similarly in the consistency of our imagination. By visualizing the intended success, you build self-confidence and you're motivated enough to perform well. Benefits of visualization. The benefits of visualization include the following. Increases self-confidence. Visualization is more like helping your brain to organize the tasks ahead so that you can achieve them successfully. It gives you hope and propels you in the right direction that will lead you to your success. Consequently, when you are successful, you're likely to believe in whatever you will do. Builds courage. Through visualization, you can garner enough strength to perform what you would otherwise seem daunting or challenging. It lets you envision the task or scenario ahead of you. This way you will be already familiar with it and have a clear strategy of how to tackle it. Increases chances for success. Visualization is the technique of practicing success. When you imagine how the event will go and what you're planning to do, you will finally follow the same steps when the real time comes. Inhibits negativity. In a world that is full of negativity, visualization can help bring positivity, which is necessary for better performance. You will be willing to take up a challenging or daunting task despite the negative voice in your head. Suitable for any age. Every person, regardless of age, can benefit immensely from visualization practice. You don't need to be a personal development expert or a life coach to know how to use visuals to meet your goals. Practice steps on how to use visualization for better productivity and performance. The great thing about visualization is that you can use it at any point in your life. It can help when you need a promotion or in your personal business. Visualization has been considered very effective in all areas of human life. Thus, every significant achievement starts with it. Follow the steps below to visualize your goal. 1. Know what you want. If you want to focus properly on visualization, you should pick one goal and work tirelessly towards it. For example, visualize a successful job interview that you will have next week without thinking of any other variable. 2. Picture the exact scene. As you start with the imagination, be more specific and clarify all the details that you need to make the scene clearer. Don't be vague. Visualize what you want to know better and leave no room for doubts. Picture the walls, colors, what you will be wearing, and the room you will reap the victory. During the entire act of visualization, use all senses such as sight, smells, sounds, touch, and taste. It would be brilliant if you can go beyond that to make your vision lively. 3. Imagine every step you need to reach your targets. How will you make sure that you meet your targets? Know the process and imagine yourself taking all the steps to the end. While focusing on each step, try to figure out the strategies to help you create the best of it. Remember, you should focus only on what you want, not what you don't need. Therefore, keep the positive vibes to ensure that you are comfortable, relaxed, non-nervous, and confident with what the future holds. 4. Do daily visualization. Visualization is not a one-time event. You need to do it for days, weeks, months, and even years. Regular visualization is important because it convinces your brain that whatever comes is attainable. It's the actual truth, and the likelihood of having it is 100% possible. Visualizing daily will also help your body learn about the specific motions that the brain is programmed to generate every time you think or work for good outcomes. Besides, you can do visualization from anywhere. You don't need to be in your bed or comfortable at your home sofa. Do it while you go to work, at night before retiring to bed, or early in the morning while you take breakfast. 5. Choose a quiet environment. The whole visualization process needs a quiet environment for you to focus and imagine the winning experience completely. Interruptions usually bring back your imagination, and you won't attain complete visualization. 6. Have a motto. In addition, you can choose a motto and pin it somewhere within your reach. Repeat the sentence loudly several times at any time of the day. If you can find the best image representing your visualization, you will quickly achieve your desired outcomes. You can go forward and save the picture as wallpaper on your computer, smartphone, tablet, or any other device. This will also act as a motivation and a reminder that you're working towards a particular goal. Conclusion. Visualization is an essential technique that enables you to attain the bigger goals and brings your dreams to reality. It generally works by preparing the mind and body for what is anticipated to happen in the coming days. Just like any regular exercise, you need to add it to your daily routine to be confident and strong.